Oh, hello everybody. Welcome to Stan versus Wild. This isn't Stan versus Wild, not today, because I am Stan Lee. But there's already Stan versus Wild. Yes. So let's go. But last episode, the engine works fell on me. It wasn't good. So I have to get repaired. So, in order to add some length to the video, I'm just going to go around the track. Let's go. Yes. Ooh, high-speed extreme drifter. Oh no! We're going to have an accident. Nope. Up to the engine works. Well, the door needs to open. It is open. For me. Wait. Oh. This is certainly an interesting sight. Very interesting. And they call this place the Engine Works. What a joke. There's a tender in front of the track. An old tender at that. Oh, it's Gordon's. Take this old broken James. Look at it. So broken. Look at all the stuff on it. Yes. So, am I going to get fixed? Oh, what am I going to do? Ooh. Am I going to get fixed? Please? Put me back up. Yes. Am I going to get fixed yet? I must be fixed. I must be fixed. Can I be fixed? Please? Oh yes, that's the railway. And those are boxes. And that's a train. Fix me, please.